Let's talk about how cute this is. Santa, can you see Santa? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm in a different setting right here. As you guys can see, I have this Christmas tree in back of me, and I hope the lighting's okay. It's pretty much late at night. I have these lights shining on me, so I hope it's not that bad, but I just really wanted to film inside my house and by my tree, and this is the best I could get. So, and there's no dog because you guys know, and I have struggled with this barking dog for the longest time, and we don't have a barking dog today, but this calls for my awaited Christmas phone theme video. Woo! Now I finally have my phone decorated for Christmas time, and I will be showing you guys like how it looks like and all of that fun stuff. So it is decorated for Christmas time, the holidays, and it's so cute. It's my favorite time of the year, so I definitely had to do a phone theme for that. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and subscribe for more videos. I will definitely have another Christmas holiday theme for my phone coming up next. So get ready for this month's awaited phone themes and holiday fun videos. Look at how cute. I have literally like 10 snow globes in my house right now thanks to my dad. So this is like so cute. I am in love. All of this down here. It's so pretty. Look at how cute that is. Let's see the sound. So let's just get started. Alright, here is the amazing phone theme. Like, take a look at this Christmas phone theme. So beautiful, so wonderful, and I love this phone theme. So here we have at the bottom these 3 little swirly candy lollipops that are animated. This is an animated theme, so it's adorable. And at the corners here we have a bell, and then we also have like a little snow globe with a Christmas tree. Those are such cute features. Look at all of this snow coming down. Here I have a gingerbread house, more swirly lollipops in the corners of the house, a Christmas tree, super colorful, and snow falling. It just continues to be even cuter. Look at the candy cane time. I love that. And then at the very top we have some more swirly lollipops. Those are my absolute favorite. This theme can't get any cuter. Just look at how beautiful. The Christmas tree also lights up, if you guys could see that. I just absolutely think this is the best phone theme for the holidays. It's so cute and girly, and the colors are so wonderful. Now onto the iris scanner. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Look at all that decoration. We have lots of candies and lollipops and a gingerbread man and some snow. This is the perfect iris scanner for this theme. I just absolutely love it. Now here is how the phone looks like when you open it. This is the super cute wallpaper, and we have just the gingerbread house in the back with a lot of candies and lollipops, and then the icons are really nice as well, and this is the overall wallpaper look. It's so cute, so adorable, and so magical. And I'm gonna do a close-up of everything as well. So here is a closer look at the image. This is the gingerbread house, super colorful, and it has like a little lollipops at the bottom. If you guys could see how colorful and cute is that. You could also see that the colors change when you swipe left and right from a red and green Now, moving on, looking at the bottom icons, I just have a phone, contacts, and messages, and the icons are super cute and go very well with the theme, as you guys could see. And then the other icons and the main page, my home page, I love. You guys could see that the titles are outlined, and then everything else is like gingerbread with like a lot of like Christmas and holiday decorations, and that's how it looks like when you swipe down. And here's more of the icons when you swipe up, and this is how they look. All my folders are looking so cute, and here we have more icons. Now I'm going to click on calendar and look at this beautiful calendar. Here I'm going to go to December, and this is the image. It's pretty much the same image on my home screen, and it just has like a blur effect. Now clicking on the contacts, these are the contacts page, how it looks like. It's really nice, just lollipops and the same colors, and I really like how this has an image. And check this out, this theme actually changes my calculator, which has never happened in any other theme. It's just pink, purple, and blue. Super cute. And now settings, this is how it looks like. It just has the same image with the Christmas tree. And now my clock is also different. Look at this. This is so nice. There's little lollipops to swipe. I enjoy these little details very much. And now I'm going to check out the phone, and this is how it looks like. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm in shock. It's so beautiful. Let's take a closer look at all of this detail at the bottom. We just have this Candyland craze, and all the numbers and everything is so nice. As you can see, there's also like red for dialing the numbers, and the candy cane all around, and at the top we have lollipops, swirly yummy lollipops. Now going into the messages, this is how the messages look like. This is amazing. Look at all the colorful colors, and this is so nice. I really enjoy it. It goes very well with the theme, and this is the keyboard. The keyboard is so nice. It's brown like gingerbread, and then we got a little gingerbread guy at the corner on the top right there, and this is how it looks like when you type. Now moving on to this theme, so I'm just gonna go to the Samsung theme store. Wait a minute, look at these icons, they're adorable. We got a snowman, an elf, an ornament, a Christmas tree, and super cute little icons. I really like them, and now I'm going to look for this theme. So this is the theme, and that's the creator and who it's by and all of the details. I will definitely be leaving a link down below just in case you want to check out this theme and get this theme as well. I will leave the name and everything down below. So here's the preview of the phone. This is always on display, super cute. And this is the home screen right here, like I showed you guys, as well as the lock screen. So nice. And then this is the phone. You guys could see all the colors look so nice. And here is the contacts with all of the details and the messages as well. Look at that lollipop at the corner right there. So nice. And this is the drop down. And now we're going to look at the sounds. So this theme does come with sounds. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!